Hello, in this video, we will be discussing about marketing attribution and we'll be taking a deep dive into the same. So, first of all, if we talk about attribution, so only attribution can mean a variety of things. So, it's kind of like a very subjective topic and it's very important to specify the particular context of which the attribution is intended to be defined. That means there can be a lot of attribution realms that are existing. But in particularly in this video, we will be discussing about marketing attribution. So marketing attribution, like basically what does it actually means, what it is. So marketing attribution is it's just not getting some numeric values, some uh, distribution data of your consumer. It's not just that, it's way beyond that. So marketing attribution is actually understanding the context behind that data that we are getting, that we are able to get through the online platform. So it can be defined clearly as understanding the context behind the data and not just understanding the data. So as if you talk about marketing attribution in detail, it's very important that we are able to understand our user. We are able to understand the techniques that need to be implemented for making our business more flourishable, and what all techniques should be avoided and have not given us results. So all this comes back to marketing attribution, and we can definitely get a lot of information uh, when we not only understand the data, but we also understand how that data is coming to us. And as we all know, as marketers, anything that we are going to do comes back to the point of performance, that how are we able to perform, that how are the changes that we make to our online platform are actually performing in the real market. How is the user able to understand the changes that we have made. So any kind of experiments that we as a marketer want to do comes back to the point of performance. And to understand the concept of performance, we need to get through the marketing attribution so that we can get hold of all the information that is being passed on by the data, and we can also understand the context of what's the context in which the data is being gathered. So moving ahead in this light, there are a lot of benefits that marketing attribution offers. So supposingly we are running an online business. So the first and the foremost, the most important thing for our business or for any business is sales or conversions. So talking about sales in detail, there are instances where not all the interactions of a user on our website get converted to a particular sale. There has to be some percentage of users that actually convert into customers, and there is only and always be only a fraction of the users visiting our website. So if we look back to our marketing attribution data, we can just understand that what particular customers are beneficial to us. Excuse me. What particular section of customers are beneficial to us, and what uh, what particular sections of our business are generating the desired amount of sales, or what particular section of our business is not generating that desired amount of sales or conversions. Now conversions can be anything to our business. It doesn't mean always mean that you'll have to sell a product. It can be selling a service as well. That means if according to you, if a user sign ups on your website, this can also be a conversion for you. If according to you, you are running a news channel, then if you make a website for the same, then if a particular user reads your article that you wrote about certain topic, then that can also be your conversion in. So there can be a lot of subjective definitions for conversion that varies from businesses to businesses, but that can be understand understood in detail when we look back at our marketing attribution data. Now, secondly, if we talk about the strategies that we want to implement for sales or conversions, now in these days, everything has to be backed up by data, or somewhere or the other has to be in some context of benefiting the business. And to get the information regarding the business strategies for the decisions, we can depend largely on marketing attribution data that will really help us to understand and to implement the strategies that we actually want to experiment with on our business. And there can be a lot of campaigns that we want to set up for our business. It can be running ads or running offline campaigns for this, anything. It can vary according to your business. This also, like if we are using marketing attribution, then it also eases our task for setting up the campaign, because we already have certain information that okay, this thing is very much helpful for our business and this thing always works out for our business. So it really helps us to understand that what is going to work and what is not going to work as a campaign. And talking about, when you're talking about campaign setup, then definitely we should talk about user journey as well. So understanding the user from the start of its journey is very crucial these days. How the user is actually getting to our website, and how it's actually navigating to that most wanted checkout page of your website. So understanding the user journey has some key benefits that have some underlying activities that may include checking out or signing up or reading a particular article. So understanding the user journey is very much helpful. And after the journey of the user, we should talk about the actual value that is added by a particular user. Now there can be two types of users. One can be a consumer and one can be a customer. What's the difference between them? It's very simple. Now consumer can be everyone that is consuming the content that is available on your online platform. It doesn't matter. We are not distinguishing between anyone. But if we talk about a customer in particular, then that is some person who really buys from your online platform. It can be your service, it can be your product, or it can simply be viewing your article. So that is a customer of yours. And as we all know, there are only fraction of customers that we have to focus on. And using marketing attribution, that focus gets a lot easier. So that's all about marketing attribution, and thanks for watching.